Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about dropshipping business ideas for beginners. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding dropshipping and niche selection. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online store without the hassle of inventory management, dropshipping might be the perfect fit for you. In today's fast-paced e-commerce landscape, this business model has gained immense popularity, allowing entrepreneurs to sell products directly from suppliers without ever handling the merchandise. This means you can focus on marketing and customer service while enjoying the flexibility of working from anywhere. With low startup costs and minimal risk, dropshipping opens the door for aspiring entrepreneurs to dive into the world of e-commerce. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or a full-time venture, this video will guide you through exciting dropshipping ideas that can kickstart your journey to success. Let's explore the possibilities together. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without holding any inventory. Unlike traditional retail where businesses purchase stock upfront and manage storage, dropshipping enables retailers to partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. In this model, the retailer lists products on their online store, and when a customer makes a purchase, the retailer forwards the order to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This streamlined process involves three key players: the supplier, who provides the products, the retailer, who markets and sells them, and the customer, who receives the order. Choosing reliable suppliers is crucial for business success, as they directly impact product quality, shipping times, and customer satisfaction. By understanding these dynamics, you can effectively navigate the dropshipping landscape and build a thriving online business. Niche selection. Choosing a profitable niche is a crucial step in launching your dropshipping business. Start by researching market trends and consumer demands to identify potential niches that are both popular and underserved. Tools like Google Trends can help you analyze search interest over time, while social media insights can reveal what products are currently trending among consumers. Additionally, consider using platforms like Reddit or niche-specific forums to gauge interest and gather feedback. However, it's not just about numbers. Your passion and knowledge in a particular area can significantly enhance your business's success. When you choose a niche that excites you, it becomes easier to connect with your audience and create compelling marketing strategies. By combining market research with your interests, you can find a niche that not only has profit potential, but also keeps you motivated on your entrepreneurial journey. Finding reliable suppliers. Sourcing trustworthy suppliers is essential for the success of your dropshipping business. Popular platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu are excellent starting points for finding suppliers that cater to various niches. When evaluating potential suppliers, pay close attention to reviews and ratings from other retailers. This feedback can provide valuable insights into their reliability, product quality, and shipping times. Additionally, consider ordering samples to assess the products firsthand before committing to a supplier. Establishing clear communication with your suppliers is equally important. It ensures that you can address any issues promptly and maintain smooth operations. Discuss expectations regarding shipping times, return policies, and product availability upfront to avoid misunderstandings later. By taking these steps, you can build strong relationships with reliable suppliers, ultimately leading to a more successful dropshipping venture. building your online store. Setting up an online store for your dropshipping business is an exciting step, and choosing the right platform is crucial. For beginners, user-friendly e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce are excellent options, offering intuitive interfaces and a range of customizable templates. A professional website design is essential as it creates a positive first impression and enhances user experience. Ensure your site is easy to navigate with clear categories and a responsive design for mobile users. Essential features to include are secure payment gateways, which allow customers to make purchases safely, and well-structured product pages that showcase your items with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Additionally, consider integrating customer reviews and a streamlined checkout process to boost conversions. By focusing on these elements, you can create an online store that not only attracts visitors, but also converts them into loyal customers. Marketing strategies. Attracting customers to your dropshipping store requires a well-rounded marketing approach. Social media marketing plays a pivotal role in driving traffic. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allow you to showcase your products visually and engage with potential customers. Partnering with influencers can amplify your reach, as their endorsements can build trust and attract their followers to your brand. Additionally, email marketing is a powerful tool for customer retention and engagement. By collecting email addresses through signups or promotions, you can send personalized offers, updates, and newsletters that keep your audience informed and interested. Don't overlook the importance of SEO techniques to improve your online visibility. By optimizing your website with relevant keywords, creating quality content, and building backlinks, you can enhance your search engine rankings, making it easier for customers to find your store. Combining these strategies will help you effectively attract and retain customers. Managing customer service. Customer service is a critical component of a successful dropshipping business, as it directly impacts customer satisfaction and loyalty. Prompt responses to customer inquiries and issues are essential. Addressing concerns quickly can turn a potentially negative experience into a positive one. To enhance efficiency, consider using chatbots and automated responses for common questions, allowing you to provide immediate assistance even outside business hours. However, while automation is helpful, it's important to maintain a personal touch when dealing with more complex issues. Building trust with your customers is paramount, and transparent communication plays a key role in this. Clearly outline your return policies and shipping times on your website so customers know what to expect. By prioritizing excellent customer service, you not only foster loyalty, but also encourage positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable for your dropshipping success. Analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing your business performance is vital for growth and success in dropshipping. Start by identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor, such as sales figures, conversion rates, and average order value. These metrics provide insights into how well your store is performing and where improvements can be made. Tools like Google Analytics are invaluable for tracking website performance, offering detailed reports on visitor behavior, traffic sources, and user engagement. By understanding how customers interact with your site, you can make informed decisions to enhance their experience. It's essential to conduct regular reviews of your performance data, allowing you to identify trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Whether it's optimizing your marketing efforts or refining your product offerings, staying proactive based on performance insights will help you adapt and thrive in the competitive dropshipping landscape. Conclusion: In this video, we explored the essential steps to starting a successful dropshipping business. We discussed the importance of selecting a profitable niche, finding reliable suppliers, and building an engaging online store. Effective marketing strategies, including social media outreach and email marketing, were highlighted as key to attracting customers. We also emphasized the significance of excellent customer service and the need to analyze your business performance through key performance indicators. Now that you have these insights, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to explore our related content for more tips and strategies to help you succeed in your dropshipping journey. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from Additional Source Income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.